Have you ever encountered a vegetable that's both versatile in the kitchen and packed with health benefits? Meet chayote. This pear-shaped vegetable, also known as mirliton or vegetable pear, originates from Central America and has a mild, crisp texture. Often used in salads, soups, and stir-fries, chayote is not just a culinary delight, but also a powerhouse of nutrients. But what exactly are its health benefits, and are there any side effects to be aware of? Stick around as we delve into the intriguing world of chayote to uncover its secrets. Let's explore its amazing health benefits first. Number 1. Boosts immunity. Enhancing immunity is crucial for optimal health. Chayote, with its rich vitamin C content, is a natural immune booster. Vitamin C helps stimulate the production of white blood cells, which are key players in fighting off infections and diseases. By incorporating chayote into your diet, you can strengthen your immune system and protect your body against common illnesses. So why not add this nutritious vegetable to your meals and give your immune system the support it needs? Number 2. Supports weight loss. Slimming down, chayote could be your stealthy ally. This unassuming veggie is a weight loss champ, packing a 1-2 punch of low calories and high fiber. Its low calorie and high fiber content make it a satiating option that can help you manage your weight effectively. The fiber in chayote adds bulk to your diet, promoting a feeling of fullness and reducing the likelihood of overeating. Moreover, its low calorie count means you can enjoy generous portions without consuming excess calories. So if you're on a mission to drop some pounds, consider adding chayote to your menu. It's nature's way of helping you win the battle of the bulge. Number 3. Improves digestion. Got tummy troubles? Chayote to the rescue. This humble veggie is a digestion superhero, thanks to its hefty fiber content. Imagine your digestive system as a well-oiled machine, with chayote as the key ingredient. The fiber in chayote keeps things moving smoothly, preventing constipation and promoting gut health. Say goodbye to digestive woes and hello to a happier belly with chayote on your plate. Number 4. Regulates blood sugar levels. Looking to keep your blood sugar in check? Chayote might just be your blood sugar's new best friend. This versatile veggie is loaded with soluble fiber, which works wonders in regulating blood sugar levels. Picture your body as a finely tuned machine, with chayote as the fuel that keeps your blood sugar stable. By adding chayote to your diet, you can help prevent blood sugar spikes and crashes, keeping you feeling balanced and energized throughout the day. So if you're looking to maintain healthy blood sugar levels, chayote is a delicious and nutritious addition to your meals. Number 5. Supports heart health. Let's talk heart-to-heart about chayote and your cardiovascular health. Chayote is like a silent guardian for your heart, thanks to its rich potassium content. Picture your heart as a steady drumbeat, with chayote as the rhythm that keeps it in perfect harmony. Potassium, found abundantly in chayote, helps regulate blood pressure, reducing the strain on your heart. By inviting chayote to your plate, you're not just enjoying a delicious meal, you're also nurturing your heart and paving the way for a healthier future. 6. Promotes bone health. Chayote is a nutritional powerhouse, especially when it comes to bone health. It's rich in calcium, essential for maintaining bone density and strength. Phosphorus, another key mineral in chayote, plays a crucial role in the formation of bones and teeth, while magnesium contributes to bone structure and strength. By making chayote a regular part of your diet, you're not just eating, you're investing in the longevity and strength of your skeletal framework. Think of chayote as the architect of your bone health, ensuring that your body remains a fortress of strength and resilience. So if you're looking to build a solid foundation for your bones, let chayote be the cornerstone of your meals. 7. Anti-inflammatory properties. Chayote's anti-inflammatory properties are attributed to its rich content of antioxidants, including vitamin C and flavonoids. These compounds help reduce inflammation by neutralizing harmful free radicals in the body. Additionally, chayote contains various phytonutrients that have been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects, further contributing to its ability to alleviate inflammation. By incorporating chayote into your diet, you can potentially reduce inflammation and its associated health risks, promoting better overall health and well-being. 8. Improves skin health. When it comes to skincare, chayote is a hidden gem. The vitamin E content in chayote works wonders for your skin, nourishing it from within and giving you a healthy, radiant complexion. Additionally, the antioxidants in chayote help protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals, which can accelerate aging and lead to various skin issues. Embrace chayote in your diet. Let your skin thank you for the radiant glow from inside out. 9. Supports eye health. Chayote's benefits for eye health stem from its rich content of lutein and zeaxanthin, two antioxidants crucial for ocular health. These compounds accumulate in the retina, particularly in the macula, where they act as a natural sunblock, protecting the eyes from harmful high-energy light waves like ultraviolet rays. Additionally, lutein and zeaxanthin help neutralize free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the eyes. This dual action is especially beneficial for maintaining the structural integrity of the macula and lens, which are vital for clear vision. Regular consumption of chayote can thus play a significant role in preserving visual acuity and protecting against age-related eye conditions, such as macular degeneration and cataracts. 10. Boosts energy levels. Chayote, often overlooked for its energy-boosting properties, is a valuable addition to your diet. Rich in B vitamins, particularly vitamin B6, chayote plays a crucial role in converting food into energy. Vitamin B6 is involved in over 100 enzyme reactions in the body, including those that help metabolize carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. By aiding in the breakdown of these macronutrients, vitamin B6 helps release energy that is essential for various bodily functions. Additionally, chayote contains other B vitamins like folate and niacin, which also contribute to energy production. Folate is essential for the formation of red blood cells, which transport oxygen throughout the body, while niacin is involved in DNA repair and the conversion of food into energy. Including chayote in your diet can help ensure that your body has an adequate supply of these vitamins, supporting optimal energy levels throughout the day. Cooking and enjoying chayote. Now that you know about the amazing health benefits of chayote, let's talk about how you can incorporate it into your diet. Chayote can be enjoyed raw in salads, pickled, steamed, boiled, or stir-fried. You can also stuff it with your favorite ingredients and bake it for a delicious and nutritious meal. Be sure to include this versatile vegetable in your diet to reap its numerous health benefits. Potential side effects. Chayote is generally safe for most people when consumed in normal food amounts. However, some individuals may experience allergic reactions to chayote, especially those who are allergic to other members of the Cucurbitaceae family, such as cucumbers, melons, or zucchinis. Additionally, chayote contains oxalates, which are naturally occurring compounds found in many plants. In some people, high oxalate intake may contribute to the formation of kidney stones. If you are prone to kidney stones or have a history of oxalate-related health issues, it may be advisable to consume chayote in moderation. As with any food, it's always a good idea to listen to your body and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns about adding chayote to your diet. Chayote is truly a superfood that offers a wide range of health benefits. From boosting immunity to supporting heart health, this vegetable has a lot to offer. So next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to pick up some chayote and give your health a boost. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more health-related content. See you in the next video.